Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So let us solve this partial differential equation. We have the u square over the x dy equal to sine x cos x. We have the boundary condition at y equal to pi over 2 the u dx equal to 2x, and at x equal to pi, this equal to sine y. Okay, now to solve this one now, we are going to do a solution. I can say d dy into what? Du dx, which is equal to sine y sine x cos what? Y. Now let me integrate this one. I can say the u dx. Now integrate this one, sine x cos y with respect to what? The what? Dy. Now this one, now let me integrate cos here. This one will give me, now if you integrate cos here, we're going to get what? Sine y plus my cosine phi here. Okay, now at y equal to pi over 2, the u dx equal to what? 2x. Let me call this one equation 1. Okay, now I can say 2x equal to sine x sine what? Pi over 2. Okay, plus phi x here. Now this one will give me, we have sine x here, sine pi over 2 is equal to what? Sine 90. Okay, which is equal to what? 1. So this one has become 1 plus phi x. Let me make this one separate formula. This one give me phi x equal to 2x minus what? Sine x. Okay, so let me call this one to be what? Equation 2 here. Now we can now substitute this value into what? Into equation 1. Okay, that is, this one will go into this expression here. Okay, now I can have my du dx here to be what? Sine x sine what? Sine y plus here, this value is 2 sine 2x minus what? Sine x. Okay, now let me now integrate this one, x sine y plus 2x minus sine x with respect to what? The x. Okay, now we can have, now let me integrate sine x here. If you integrate sine x, we are going to get to minus cos x. So this one will remain the same. Just put it there, sine y. Now if you integrate 2x, this one will give what? 2x squared over 2. This one become what? X squared minus what? Sine. This one, if you integrate sine x here, this one become what? Minus cos x. This one will be cos x plus what? Phi y here. We can now have u equal to minus cos x sine y plus what? X squared. This one will become what? Minus times minus. This one will become what? Plus. Okay, now we can now have plus what? Cos x plus what? Phi. Okay, now let me check the boundary condition here. The boundary condition here is u is equal to 2 sine y. Okay, my u here is what? My u is 2 sine y minus what? Cos, and my s is equal to what? Pi. Okay, pi. So you just write your pi here, sine y. Your s is what? Pi square. Put it here. Your s is what? Pi. Put it here. Plus what? Phi y. Now we can add 2 sine x. Now here, cos it, right? Okay. Now let me check from the calculator. So let me check. So we can have cos 180. Okay, cos 180. My cos 180 will give us cos 180. So we have minus 1. Okay, this one become minus into minus 1 sine y plus what? Pi square. This one will be minus 1 phi. Okay, now we have 2 sine y. This one become minus times minus, this one become plus sine y plus pi square. Okay, this one is what? Minus 1, right? Plus what? 5. Now let me now make this guy the subject of the formula here. That is, we are going to have for 5 into what? Look at this one, 2 sine y minus what? Sine y minus what? Pi square plus what? 1, okay? That is, this one will give what? 2 sine y minus sine y. We are going to get what? Sine y minus pi square plus what? 1, okay? Now let me now substitute, this one's supposed to be y, sorry, by y. Now look at this, our equation here. Let me call this one to be equation 3. So we now put all the value into this 5, okay? Now finally, we can have my what? Cos x sine y plus what? S square, okay? S square plus cos x, okay, plus what? Sine y plus sine y minus pi square plus what? 1, okay? Then this is the final. So if you like, we can simplify this thing further, okay? I can take this one, you can say minus cos x sine y here. If you like, you can take any one of which I can say cos x plus what? Sine y. We have my what? S square minus what? Pi square, pi square plus what? 1, okay? So this is the final answer, okay? I can also say, so let me just here now. I want to arrange this one. This one cos what? X sine what? Y plus what? This one here. So I can say cos x common here, write it as 1 minus sine what? Y, okay, plus sine y here. This one is x square minus pi square plus 1. So plus what? S square minus pi square plus 1, okay? So this is the final answer. Please kindly follow, like, comment and share. Bye.